Oh, he's looking for some food.
Hey.
You got any bread? We got a little bit of bread in our pack.
Wow.
Can I take my backpack off?
Here, come here. I get it here.
What? Yeah, the sandwiches?
Yeah.
And I'll donate a little bit of bread to him. Hello.
Okay.
Come here. I know that you're going to like this. You didn't like the celery before, but you'll like bread. Here you go. Oh,
Wow.
here you go.
Wow. You're very friendly. People must be feeding it.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. Well, you're just going to... Yeah? Uh-oh, he beat you to it. Oh, yeah, you're just cutie, aren't you? I wasn't expecting y'all to land on my hand.
Wow. Never seen
Did everybody get their bed? Oh, there's a little baby. She's still molting. So, yeah, you still got your baby feathers, don't you?
Oh, no fighting, no fighting. There's plenty. Eating out of your hands now.
Well, we should bring some regular, bring some regular bread up here sometime. Oops. That one got way too big a piece. Not so much for my sandwich. Well, I hope they like mayonnaise. Come on. One left. Oh, there's another little bitty that just barely has any feathers. Come on, here you go. You get the big one. Yeah, you get the big one.
Wow. Interesting, huh?
That's all I got. I better go. I'm going to get in trouble for that as it is. Yeah, hello?
No, that's
Oh, well,
good.
you're just going to...
No.
Well, here's one little piece left. You can't get it out of the plastic.
All right.
Well, that was fun.